Hello everyone, I am Chef Murir El Hilali and today we're making a very unique seafood stew. Let me show you. We need 1 can crushed tomatoes, 28 ounce, 2 pounds frozen seafood mix, 1 small yellow onion, 1 red bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, the peel of a half organic orange, 1 small bunch thyme tied into a bundle, a 1/4 teaspoon red hot pepper flakes, 3 celery stalks, 6 to 7 garlic cloves, 1 bunch fresh basil, 1 fennel bulb, and of course some salt and fresh ground black pepper. Smash and chop the garlic. Dice the onion. Dice the celery. Dice the peppers. Dice the fennel. Add the seafood to a large saute pan. Turn the heat to high. Frozen seafood most of the time is soaked in tripolyphosphate solution, which is basically something that makes it retain water, and that's why when you cook frozen seafood you always have a lot of water that leaches out of it. So what we're gonna do here is we start with the seafood, gonna get that water out, reduce it because it has a lot of flavor, and then we're gonna combine it with the sauce. With seafood, you always either want to flash cook it real quick or you want to cook it long. Anywhere in between is going to be rubbery. Since it's a stew, we're just going to let it cook long and slow. So while the seafood is boiling, we're going to start our tomato-based sauce. In a stainless steel pot, add 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon cooking oil, add the garlic, add the pepper flakes, fry a little bit, then add the onions, stir very well, fry a little bit, then add the celery, mix very well. Meanwhile, you can see how much liquid came out of the seafood mix, so we're just going to let it reduce some more. Add fennel, mix very well, cook a little bit, then add the peppers, mix very well. Peppers are going to release some liquid, keep cooking until it evaporates and the whole pot becomes dry. Then add the tomatoes, add some salt, fresh ground black pepper, mix very well. The seafood liquid should have reduced very well. Then transfer the whole thing to the pot. Stir to combine, add the thyme bundle, the orange peel, and bury it in the stew. Bring it to a boil, cover it, lower the heat to minimum, and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, fish out the orange peel, if I can find it. Oh, here it is. 1, 2, 3, and also the thyme bundle. Then cut the basil super thin in chiffonade. Add it to the pot and stir in very well. Then take the thyme bundle and squeeze it a little bit. It should be cold enough now to handle, so you can squeeze all that flavor out of it. Combine all the flavors and it's ready. And there it is, seafood and vegetable stew. Enjoy. Bon appetit. Like and subscribe because there's more coming.